Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to check the earnings per share or EPS of a stock on Google Finance. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to googlefinance. Once you're on the site, use the search bar at the top to look up the company you want to analyse. For example, let's search for Enbridge Income. Click on the company from the search results to open its profile. Now scroll down to the financial section. You'll see three main tabs: Income Statement, Balance Sheet and Cash Flow. Click on Income Statement, then scroll down to find Earnings per Share, EPS. Here you'll be able to view both annual and quarterly EPS values. EPS represents a company's net profit divided by the number of outstanding shares. It helps investors understand how much profit is allocated to each share of stock. For example, on an annual basis, the EPS might be 36 cents, with a stock price of $2.80, while on a quarterly basis, it could be $11.96, with a stock price of $1.03. The numbers will vary depending on the company and time frame. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.